Today is the day that I'm hoping I can get rid of these. I'm having my lens replacement surgery this morning. Hopefully, hoping it turns out the way I anticipated it to turn out, but hoping to say goodbye to this. We are en route to the hospital where I will be getting my lens replacement. And the place that I chose to get my lens replacement is in Medellín, Colombia. It's Dr. Escobar, probably one of the better known clinics out here. So we'll see what happens.
La cirugía que realizamos se llama una facorrefractiva. En pacientes que tengan catarata o, en este caso, hipermetropía y presbicia, podemos colocar unos lentes que se llaman lentes trifocales y de dos. Son lentes de alta gama o premium, los cuales son encaminados para que el paciente pueda ver tanto lejano, intermedio y cercano. ¿Qué es lo bueno de la cirugía? Es un lente que es para toda la vida, es un lente que ya nunca te da catarata porque lo llama el cristalino, y a la vez cuando colocamos el lente es de la mejor tecnología y el mejor lente que existe en el momento en la actualidad en el mundo.
All right. Just got my first pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses in a very long time, because as you know, and you follow this channel, you know that I've had prescriptions, and my prescription glasses were sunglasses. But now that I got the lens replacement surgery done on them, super happy to have these. We are here for the last visit or last checkup after the surgery. If anyone's interested in learning more about the type of surgery I had or any kind of lasik or cataract surgery, let me know. Best place here in Medellín. Love you guys.